Every programming language explained in 5 minutes. Have you ever wondered why there are hundreds of programming languages? Why do programmers use Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and many others instead of just one language? The answer is simple. Just like we use different vehicles for different purposes, a bicycle for short distances, a car for daily travel, and an airplane for long journeys, different programming languages are designed for different tasks. Today, we're going to explore the world's most important programming languages in just 5 minutes. Let's begin. C, the foundation. We'll start with C. Created in the 1970s, C is one of the oldest and most influential programming languages ever made. Many operating systems, drivers, and embedded systems are built using C. It gives programmers direct access to computer hardware, making it extremely fast and efficient. Think of C as the foundation of modern programming. Without C, many of today's languages wouldn't exist. C++, C with superpowers. Next is C++. C++ was built on top of C and introduced something called object-oriented programming. Don't worry about the fancy name. It simply helps developers organize large projects more effectively. C++ is known for speed and performance. That's why it's used in video games, game engines, robotics, and high-performance applications. Many popular games you play today rely heavily on C++. Java, the enterprise giant. Now, let's talk about Java. Java became famous because of one powerful idea: write once, run anywhere. This means developers can write code once and run it on different operating systems. Java is heavily used by banks, governments, large companies, and Android applications. If you've ever used online banking, there's a good chance Java was working behind the scenes. Python, the beginner's favorite. Now we arrive at Python. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Its code is clean, simple, and readable. That's one reason why millions of beginners start with Python. But Python isn't just for beginners. Today it powers artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, automation, and many web applications. In fact, some of the most advanced AI systems in the world are built using Python. JavaScript, the language of the web. Have you ever clicked a button on a website? Watched an animation? Filled out an online form? If so, you've interacted with JavaScript. JavaScript makes websites interactive. Without it, most websites would look like static pages with almost no functionality. Today, JavaScript is one of the most widely used programming languages on Earth. TypeScript, JavaScript's smarter sibling. As web applications became larger, developers needed better tools. That's where TypeScript comes in. TypeScript is basically JavaScript with extra features that help catch mistakes before programs run. Large companies love TypeScript because it makes huge projects easier to manage. Many modern websites now use TypeScript behind the scenes. C#, Microsoft's powerhouse. Next is C#. Created by Microsoft, C# is used for desktop applications, enterprise software, and game development. One of the biggest reasons for C#'s popularity is Unity. Unity is one of the world's most popular game engines. Thousands of games are built using C# every year. Go, built for speed. Go, also known as Golang, was created by Google. Its goal was simple: create a language that's fast, reliable, and easy to use. Go is commonly used in cloud computing, backend systems, and large internet services. Many modern tech companies use Go to power applications that serve millions of users. Rust, the rising star. Now, let's look at Rust. Rust is one of the fastest-growing programming languages today. Developers love Rust because it combines speed with safety. It helps prevent common programming mistakes while maintaining excellent performance. Many experts believe Rust could play a major role in the future of software development. Swift, Apple's language. Swift was created by Apple. It's mainly used to build applications for iPhones, iPads, Macs, and other Apple devices. Compared to older Apple programming tools, Swift is easier to learn and faster to develop with. If you've used a modern iPhone app, Swift was probably involved. Kotlin, the Android champion. Finally, let's talk about Kotlin. Kotlin was designed to improve the Android development experience. Google officially supports Kotlin for Android applications. Many developers prefer Kotlin because it allows them to write cleaner and shorter code compared to Java. Today, Kotlin is one of the most popular languages for Android app development. Which language should you learn? If you're interested in artificial intelligence, machine learning, or automation, start with Python. If you want to build websites, learn JavaScript. If you want enterprise or banking jobs, Java is a great choice. For game development, consider C# or C++. For Android apps, choose Kotlin. For Apple app development, learn Swift. And if you're completely new to programming, Python is usually the easiest place to start. Final thoughts. At the end of the day, every programming language exists for the same reason: to help humans communicate with computers. Some languages focus on speed. Some focus on simplicity. Some focus on safety. And some focus on specific industries. There is no perfect programming language. The best language is simply the one that's right for the job. And now you've learned the world's most important programming languages in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick explanations.